Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to review about book cover keyboard for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So let's start. So it's a two-piece case. So this is the back part. We will attach this part at the back side of our tablet, and then we have this keyboard part. So here in the keyboard you see we have all necessary keys, and we also have this trackpad. So first of all we will attach this back part to Tab S9 Ultra. So here you can see these camera holes. So we will adjust it like this, and then it will attach magnetically. The next thing is on top side you can see we have this flap. We can easily open it like this, and then here we can put our S Pen. So here is my S Pen. I will just put it like this. It will attach magnetically, and then I can close it like this. So now my S Pen is fully secure and covered. So here you can see you can open it, and if you want to take it out, you can easily take it out like this. Now I will attach this keyboard part with Tab S9 Ultra. So here you can see at top we have these attachments. Now I will bring the Tab S9 Ultra, and here at the bottom you see we have this area for the attachment. Now what we will do is we will just bring it closer to the keyboard, and here you can see once I bring it closer it will attach magnetically. So now it is completely attached, and I can even close it like this. The next thing is, if you see at the bottom, now it is fully covered by the keyboard case. So here you can see it is fully covered, but here on the side it is open. Okay, and here you can see these edges are little out. So even if I put it like this, my tablet is safe. If I go to the front side, it is also open. So I can access my buttons, the mic, and also I can use this SD card slot. And here on this side, you can see it is also open, but the edges are outside. So it is covered from here as well. Even it's covered from the front. If you see, the edges are little out. So even if I put it like this, my tablet is secure. The next thing is at the bottom we have this kickstand. So I can open this kickstand, and you can open it to any position. So here you can see it is fully movable like this. So now I can put it to any position. For example, I put it on this position, and then I will just put it like this, and then I can open my keyboard. The keyboard is also attached magnetically, and I can easily open like this, and I can access my tablet. The next thing is, now I am going to do a little test. I will take out this kickstand, and then I will try to hold my tablet with this kickstand. So here you can see everything is firmly attached. So the tablet is attached, the keyboard is attached, and then if I try to hold it, I can easily hold it. So everything is very strong. I will also try to hold it from this flap side. I will take it out like this, and then if I hold it, so here you can see it is also attached firmly. So here you can see, and the next thing is, now I will try to hold it from the keyboard. So I will open the keyboard. So here is the keyboard side, here is my tablet. So I will just hold it like this. So here you can see it is also firmly attached. So here you can see with my keyboard, the tablet is at the bottom. So this is how it looks like. The next thing that I want to mention here is, don't try to lift your tablet with the keyboard side, because it is just a magnet and it can detach easily. Now let's talk about the keyboard. So here you can see we have this trackpad. So you can use your 2-finger swipe for the next page like this, and if you want to go back to the previous page, you can swipe right like this. If you swipe up with 2 fingers like this, it will open the app menu, and if you swipe it down like this, it will close the app menu. You can also use your 3-finger swipe. So if I use 3-finger swipe up like this, it will open the recent apps, and if I want to close it, again what I have to do, use 3-finger swipe down like this. If you open an app, for example I open this app and I want to close this app, I can use 3-finger swipe down like this, and it will close the app. The next thing is, this keyboard is backlight keyboard. Keys will light up if you want to type in dark. There is a specific key which is F12. So you can use function key and F12 key together to change the intensity of the light. So you can reduce it or you can increase the intensity of backlight. The next thing is on top we have all function keys. So here you can see we have F1, F2, F3, and we also have this dex key as well. So if you press it with the function key, it will take you directly to the dex mode. So I will show you. So for example, I will press this function key here and then I press this dex key. So here you can see it will open the Samsung dex for you. If you want to access the shortcut keys, if you want to see the shortcut keys, just press this F1 and it will show you all the keyboard shortcuts. You can also assign keys to open specific apps. For example, I assigned this F1 key for Samsung Notes. So I press this function key plus F1 key, it will open the Samsung Notes for me. The next thing is now I try to use this book cover keyboard on my lap like this. So here you can see I can adjust it and I can use it. So here you can see, for example, if I try to open any app, so here you can see I can use it, I can use my keyboard, and then if I want to adjust it from backside, I can just adjust it like this, but I have to make it like this, more bigger. So now I can use it. So yes, sometimes I feel it difficult to use it on my lap. The next thing that I want to mention here is the keyboard cover is very thin. So for example, if I close it like this, I can easily travel with it. So it is very thin, so I can easily carry it in my hand. So this is how it looks like if I put in my arms like that. So here you can see this is how it looks like. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.